This isn't a tutorial, not this time, and not yet. What you're seeing here is a glimpse into the madness behind the masterpiece. Funny enough, this whole wild steampunk journey, it started with my sister. She was junk journaling, inking gears and layering lace, and I thought, wait a minute, what if I could bring that same gritty beauty into yarn? So I did, and then it kind of took over my life. Before the needle hits the thread, there's math, trial and error, and some intense staring into the void. I planned, I second-guessed, I cut fabric, I might have sworn just a little bit. This is where the real fun begins. Me versus the webbing. Spoiler, the webbing talks back. Each piece, hand crocheted, every stitch, a choice between chaos and beauty. I chose both. At some point, I lost count, lost patience, and nearly hot glued a motif to my forehead. But we don't quit mid-creation. We suffer artistically. She's not finished, but she's already got personality and probably a few secrets. If you're still here, you're one of the curious ones. And trust me, this is just the beginning. I'll show you how to create your own steampunk magic when the time is right. Until then, just watch the gears turn.